Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's me Fatihah and I'm back again with a new video after so long, and I'm sorry. So if you're new here, hi, I am Fatihah, and if you're not new here, then thank you for sticking with me. I love you. So for today's video, I am gonna be making a makeup tutorial. Some of you guys have been wanting me to do this for like so long, and I'm finally gonna do it for you guys. I'm really sorry to make you wait so long. So basically, this makeup look is what I put on almost every day when I'm about to go to class. There are some days that I don't put on makeup to class, but mostly I do because I just love getting ready to class. It just makes me feel good about myself and kind of make you feel more like, you know, semangat to actually go to class. Like you actually have that motivation to actually go to class. Like you look good, you feel good, so you know. I'm not gonna talk much, I'm just gonna go straight into this tutorial. So basically what you need are concealer, lipsticks, blusher, eyelash curler, beauty blender. I did not clean it, I'm sorry, please don't attack me. And also Vaseline. So basically I have added on Vaseline on my lashes as always. And yeah, let's just get into this, shall we? Yes, let's go. So the first step is to put on concealer. Wait, but before that, I really like to curl my lashes first because my lashes are like the hardest to curl up. Like they're long, but they just won't curl up, and like right after I curl it up, they'll just go back down, which is really annoying. But the first step is to put on concealer there, anywhere that you have lost, mostly my forehead. I have like a love-hate relationship with my forehead. Like when it's almost clear, then another pimple just decided to come and visit for a long time. Okay, and then once you've put on concealer, just blend it with your beauty blender. Right after I'm done with my concealer, I'll add some blush. I love to over blush my cheeks. It's really fun. I'll put all the products that I'm using in my description box down below. But basically this is me adding my blusher. Like I just love adding blusher. So fun fact, I actually did a makeup tutorial for my demo speech during my foundation days. It was really fun. I actually like showed the whole class how I do my makeup every day. And yes, I add blush on my nose just to make myself look extra cute. And I love adding a lot, like no regrets. Add a bit on your eyelids just to give like a shadow effect, and that's that. Now you add your lipstick. Like basically during my foundation days, I can actually wake up 20 minutes before class, because my class is like so close, about 3 minutes walk from my college. Wait, maybe more, or maybe around 3 minutes, one song and you're done. But yeah, like really, I can actually like wake up 20 minutes before and got ready with my makeup and my outfit. And also degree is starting soon, so maybe you can also try this look out and like wear it to class. For my lips, I'll use a darker shade first. Wait, I actually sometimes just apply a bit, but I don't know why I applied it all over my lips, but that's okay. And then I apply a lighter shade just to balance it out. This actually has run out, but I'm still using it. It's still giving that effect, I guess. Okay. This is my favorite thing to do. Sometimes I just feel like it's too much for an everyday look. There's gonna be leftover on your fingers, so you add them as a blush. I told you I love blush. It's really fun. and you're done. This is my everyday makeup look, and it's really simple. Really simple. Anyone can actually do this makeup look. Make it extra, curl your lashes. And do I add mascara? No, I don't. I just use Vaseline, and then if they stay curled, then they stay curled. If they don't want to curl, then it's okay. I still love my lashes. I take selfies almost every day when I was in Dunkil because my room has the best lighting. Basically Dunkil has the best lighting. Oh my god, I just realized that I can't stop talking about Dunkil in this video. I'm really sorry. I hope this helps you. So I hope you guys can try this makeup look out. All you need are concealer, lipsticks, lots of blusher, lots of them, your sponge, beauty blender, and your eyelash curler. Oh, and Vaseline. So basically that's all you need for my everyday makeup look, and you guys can try it out. You guys can, you know, maybe try it out and wear it to class just to make yourself feel a bit extra and fresh. So yeah, I actually don't know what I just said in this video. So peace out everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Inshallah soon. I don't know when. No promises. I just pushed my tripod away from me and stop doing this. And I love you guys so much. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.